Yes, once again we can just solve this question on the vectors. Okay, तो vectors के अंदर ये question आता है, find the area of a parallelogram with adjacent sides formed by the sides given as where vectors are expressed in meters. So this is the first vector, which is expressed as p bar is equal to 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 7k bar, and the second vector is q bar, that is 3i bar plus 2j bar plus 6k bar. Okay, that means we can just consider this as a parallelogram. Suppose this is a parallelogram having its two sides expressed as p bar and q bar here, and whenever the two sides of a parallelogram are expressed in vectors, then we already know that the area of this parallelogram can actually be found out by this formula, area is equal to mod of p bar cross q bar. Correct hai? So that means we have to find out the magnitude of the cross product. So let us try to find out this cross product of this p bar and q bar first. Okay, so if we just have this cross product of p bar and q bar, तो अभी अब तुमको ऑलरेडी पता है कि क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स कैन ऑलवेज बी फाउंड आउट बाय यूजिंग द डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड. So in which the first row of the determinant is expressed by I bar, j bar and k bar. Then the second row is actually replaced by the coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar in p bar here. And in the same way, the third row can be replaced by the coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar in q bar. Okay, so here p bar के जो coefficients है 2, 3 and 7 will be there, and here it will be 3, 2 and 6 will actually be there. So अभी ये तुमको ऑलरेडी पता है कि डिटर्मिनेंट किस तरह से एक्सपांड करना होता है. तो इफ़ यू जस्ट ट्राई टू एक्सपांड इट with respect to the first row, then each of the elements of the first row will just be multiplied by a determinant, which is obtained by just deleting the row and column in which the first element is present, that is I bar is present. तो अगर ये आई बार, अगर हम आई बार कंटेन करने वाला रो और कॉलम अगर हटा देते हैं तो हमको जो डिटर्मिनेंट मिलता है, ये वाला डिटर्मिनेंट हमको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है, जो कि हमको यहाँ पे कॉपी करना है. सो इट विल बी 3, 2, 7 and 6. Okay, minus, don't forget that there is a minus sign for the middle term here. So j bar into, again there will be a determinant which is obtained by deleting the row and column containing j bar, so that we can be left with this column and this column as it is, and we have to construct a new determinant from these columns. So the 2, 3 and 7, 6 will be there, and finally k bar will just get multiplied by another determinant which is obtained by deleting the row and column in which k is present, k bar is present. So we can just get this determinant copied here. Okay, so 2, 3, 3, 2, yes, 2, 3 and 3, 2 will be there. Okay, now we can just be able to find out this I bar multiplied with the determinant of this will be 6 3s are 18 minus 7 2s are 14, right, minus j bar into, here it is going to be 6 2s are 12 minus 7 3s are 21, and finally k bar multiplied by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, don't forget this minus sign in between. Okay, so here we can just see that this will actually be 18 minus 14, which is going to be 4 I bar. Here it is 12 minus 21 happens to be minus 9, but already there is a minus sign outside, so it will be plus 9 into j bar, and here it is going to be minus 5 k bar. Okay, so once we get this vector p bar cross q bar here, then we can be able to find out the magnitude of this p bar cross q bar now, because we want to find out the area of the parallelogram. So we can just get that the area of that parallelogram will actually be equal to the mod of p bar cross q bar, where p bar cross q bar is already obtained here in the last step. So if we just try to find it out, the magnitude of that p bar cross q bar, तो किसी भी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड हमको ऑलरेडी पता है कैसे निकालना होता है. उसके आई बार, जे बार और के बार के जो कोएफिशिएंट्स है उनका स्क्वायर करके, उनका सम करके उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 9 का स्क्वायर और फिर यहाँ पे आएगा -5 का स्क्वायर. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी कैन जस्ट हैव दिस एज, अभी 4 का स्क्वायर हमको पता है 16 प्लस 9 का स्क्वायर इज 81 एंड फाइनली 5, -5 हो या +5 हो, उसका स्क्वायर तो 25 ही आने वाला है. सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी 25 एंड देन वी कैन बी एबल टू गेट दिस फाइनली एज, अब देखो 81 प्लस 16 कितना बनता है, तो वी कैन सी इट विल बी 97, राइट. So, and 97 plus 25 actually comes out to be 122 here. Yes, 122, but that is going to be in square root. Okay, so root 122 square centimeter, square meter. Okay, so meter square we can say. This will actually be the required area of that parallelogram. Yes. Okay, thank you all of you.